Hello guys, welcome back to Char Tips. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Among Us account system airship map not letting you play or join a game and how to fix this up. So some of you guys will be having this issue and right now you'll be all be looking for some kind of solution, and I think this video is going to help you out. So if you ask me about a very clear solution on this one, I have to say this. This has to be done from the side of Among Us. So as you can see that when you try to log into the account, when you go for sign in, you will not be able to do this because they'll be asking you the questions like, do you want to create an account or something, which you have to give for okay. And still after trying out, you'll not be able to get in this out. Some people might say that you just have to randomize the name. You'll be able to do so, but it's not. So the one solution is what you can try out is when you're trying to play the game and host the game, the airship map is all good. What you have to do is just have to wait for the original time because this has to be done from the side of Among Us because the server will be completely full. It will be completely filled up, or it will be having a low amount of traffic to the server. So this is why the reasons are requiring. And also in some cases, what I request is you can keep trying in between, and that you can just keep trying so that you can select the airship map and try it, and for most probably it will be completely fixed up. So this is the solution which I would like to make you notice, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And as you can see that even though the servers are filled, the servers are full and most probably are not able to find the game or play the game. So this is the things happen. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.